Bitcoin to $200,000? That's what Bernstein, one of Wall Street's most trusted voices, just predicted for the end of 2025. But wait, Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, goes even further. He says Bitcoin could hit $1 million by 2035. That's not a typo. $1 million. So what's going on? Why are these massive predictions coming in at the same time? Is Bitcoin about to explode in price? Or are we being lured into the biggest bull trap in history? Let's break it down. Bernstein's analysts revised their previous target of $150,000 and raised it to $200,000 based on four things. 1. ETF inflows are increasing. Second, institutional adoption is gaining momentum. 3. Retail investors are returning to the market. Fourth, and most importantly, the halving cycle is in play. Sounds solid, right? But here's the twist. In the exact same week that Bernstein made this prediction, BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, also bought more Bitcoin. $81 million worth. Coincidence? Or coordination? Meanwhile, Kiyosaki warns of something deeper. He says the US debt crisis, inflation, and trust in fiat currencies are reaching breaking points. His view, Bitcoin isn't just an investment, it's a lifeboat. But here's the question for you. Are these forecasts based on data? Or are they part of a larger narrative being pushed to make you buy at the top? Because history has shown us one thing. When everyone's screaming Bitcoin to the moon, smart money is usually preparing for something else. And if you're holding crypto right now, ask yourself, are you ready to hold through the volatility? Or are you unknowingly playing someone else's game? Comment below. Do you believe Bitcoin will hit $200,000 or more? Or are we about to walk straight into a bull trap? Let's keep going. Let's talk about the whales. Over the past 10 days, more than $1.2 billion worth of Bitcoin has been transferred between anonymous wallets and exchanges. One single wallet moved 8,734 Bitcoin, over $700 million, to Binance and Coinbase. Just hours later, the same amount was withdrawn by a different address. And that's not the only one. Multiple whale wallets, some dormant for over 5 years, suddenly came alive. They moved massive sums to exchanges, triggering fear, speculation, and volatility. So what's happening? Are whales cashing out while retail investors are still buying in? Or is this a coordinated strategy to shake out weak hands before the real pump? Let me ask you this. Why would a whale move $100 million worth of Bitcoin to an exchange but never sell it publicly? Could it be OTC sales, internal testing, or are they simply setting up traps? Because here's what usually happens. Whales buy silently. Then they pump the narrative, Bitcoin to $200,000. Retail jumps in, and while everyone's euphoric, whales sell off quietly through smart routing and dark pools. This is not a conspiracy theory. It's happened in 2017. It happened in 2021. And it might be happening now. The question is, are you watching the price? Or are you watching the moves behind the scenes? Because what the whales are doing, not what they're saying, tells us where the market is really going. Comment below. Do you think whales are setting up a massive sell-off? Or are they just securing positions before the next leg up? Let's dig deeper. So now the big question, should you buy, hold, or wait? Let's be honest, the fear of missing out is real. Everyone wants to catch the next big breakout. No one wants to be left behind. But here's the truth that most people ignore. Bull markets don't just reward the brave, they also punish the impulsive. Look around. ETF inflows are dropping. Whale activity is suspicious. Retail traders are more excited than ever. Does that sound like a bottom or a setup? If you buy now, ask yourself this. Are you buying strength or buying someone else's exit liquidity? Remember, markets don't move based on what's trending. They move based on who's getting trapped. This is not financial advice, but it is a wake-up call. Sometimes the best move is no move at all. And sometimes, the smartest trade is to sit back and watch the chaos unfold. So what do you think? Will Bitcoin explode to $200,000, or are we being played? Are the whales preparing a historic bull run or a historic dump? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. And if you're ready for part 2, where we expose what BlackRock is really doing behind the scenes, stay tuned. It's coming soon. This is BitFlash News, and the storm is just beginning.